Good evening, everyone. This is Sudeep Shah, astronumerologist, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about the impact of the lunar eclipse, the first lunar eclipse of 2021, and its impact on the equity markets. So, today we are going to restrict our discussion on the Indian equity markets only, that is, on the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange. Now, I'm going to upload this video in two parts. In the first part, that is in this part, I'm going to talk about the impact on the equity markets, and in the next part I'm going to discuss its impact on the commodity market. So don't miss these videos, okay? So before I share my views, I would request you guys to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you continue to receive notifications about my upcoming videos. So lunar eclipse is happening on 26th of May 2021. It's the first lunar eclipse of 2021, and it is taking place in the sign of Scorpio as per Vedic sidereal zodiac sign. It is taking place in the sign of Scorpio, and you guys know that moon is debilitated, that it is fallen in the sign of Scorpio, and it is happening on the full moon night. Okay, it is conjunct with Ketu, and on the other side, that is in Taurus, we have the Mercury, Rahu, Sun and Venus. Okay, so, and I am also going to take other factors into consideration, like Saturn has turned retrograde on 23rd of May, and Jupiter has also changed its nakshatra. So I'm also going to take these factors into consideration before sharing my views. And also I'm going to talk about a few important sectors as well, so to watch this video till the end. Okay, if I have a look at the chart, I can see that the markets will become volatile to bullish. Yes, this is as per my calculations. I can see that the markets, overall markets will become volatile to bullish. Now, Saturn's retrogression indicates that the metal sector or the steel sector is ready for another round of rally. Yes, you have seen profit booking in these sectors from upper levels. Nearly some of the sectors, some of the scripts have corrected by nearly 20-25% from its top, but they are ready for another round of bull run, and they may bounce back at any time, especially from the other half of this week. Okay, and Jupiter's has changed nakshatra, as I had said. This is actually telling me that this is actually good news for the banking sector. Okay, so you may focus on this sector as well, especially the PSU banks. Okay, so that's all in this video, and stay tuned as I'm going to upload the next part where I'm going to talk about the impact of the lunar eclipse on the commodity market. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Alright friends, have a great day. Bye.